Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Ford posts for free on Dress to Impress April's Schools update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress and then I'm going to show you how we can get the Ford post for free. So basically we just need to go to the post menu. I'm going to click on this icon to get the posts menu, and we can simply click on Ford, and then we will get this Ford post for free. Okay, that's so fun. Okay, we just need to click on this post, and we will get this Ford post for our model. Again, you can click on the star to make it your favorite. Okay, I'm just going to click the star. Okay, so anytime I want to get this Ford post, I just need to click on this menu and select Ford. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Ford post for free on Dress to Impress April School update. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!